Here's an idea for you. Why not use that YouTube channel you created earlier in this series and promote brands and agencies? Okay, your channel might have not quite taken off yet, but this is what you've got to look forward to. You get creative freedom to work with brands that you like, love, and already use. Payments are fast and secure, and you can work with Grapevine to grow your channel. Here's a few YouTubers already working with Grapevine. Let's have a look at the sponsorship details. You can get quality sponsorships for your YouTube channel. But how? First, you create your Grapevine account, and then you browse through the opportunities to see if there's anything that you like, and then pitch the brand on working together. If they accept your pitch, you get paid. Here's what one of the creators is saying. Grapevine not only provides you with fabulous sponsorship opportunities and the support from an exceptional team of agents, but they also introduce you to fresh, rising companies along the way. Through Grapevine, I've discovered some incredible brands and services. Why not go ahead and join Grapevine as a creator? So isn't it time you started to build your YouTube channel? Let's have a look at some of the facts about YouTube. There's no magic formula for YouTube. You require patience and persistence. Some vloggers take 6 hours to make one video. They publish it at least twice a week, and their channel grows over time. YouTube stars aren't born overnight. As you see here, you may only get under 1,000 subscribers in the first year, and maybe in the second year that grows, but over years 2 and 3 you might start to get some reasonable traction. It takes a little bit of time to build a YouTube channel, but it's worth getting started because there's money to be made. And here's how upload frequency impacts a channel. Once a month doesn't have huge growth, but once a week when you're starting out is great for growing your channel. And then when you become a little bit more popular, a couple of times a week's needed. So why don't you go ahead and start a YouTube channel? And then you can work with a company like Grapevine to start earning money other than using YouTube's ads. I'll add the link below to the first video I did on starting a YouTube channel. You might find it interesting if you've missed it already. Anyway, that's it for today. Please subscribe to this channel, and bye for now.